Okay.
Yeah.
Namaste. Hello, my name is Alexandre Paulain. I'm Brazilian, but I live in Portugal. I've been living in Portugal for 5 years, and I came here to Dehradun to take class with Dr. Shishir, and it was amazing. I've already had some knowledge about Marma therapy, but with the Dr. Shishir we went really deep in many subjects. It was surprising for me because he invited us to witness his sessions with patients in hospitals, in his clinic, and it was really good, the miracles that I could witness. People with had, for example, some injuries in the shoulders or on the hips. After some minutes of Marma therapy, they really changed for the better, and they could really do things that they weren't able to do. So it's not only me. Many patients, they talk about this Marma therapy and this great and deep knowledge, and it's a very deep class that we have. We had a class with anatomy, with physiology, with based on the classical Ayurveda books that we call Samhitas. And yes, it was amazing. And I'm going back today, unfortunately, but I'm bringing in my bag a lot. In my baggage, a lot of knowledge with Dr. Shishir, and thank you very much. I totally recommend Dr. Shishir classes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alexandre. It's really a pleasure having you here with us in Dehradun. And could you also share with us some of the experiences that you had personally with the Marmas when we did the Marmas on you sometime? So what experiences you
Yes.
had? Could you share that, please?
This is important. I had, for example, one of the great experience that I had with doctor was the demonstration of the management of stress management with Marma. Uh, that day when he did on me this Marma to how can I say, to relieve the stress, I had a very and good sleep. So it was amazing, and it's something that is not painful, but it's very subtle, but it really works. So it's a very good alternative for you who wants to get rid of some medicines that they are bad, they don't go to the root. So yes, I recommend totally the Marma therapy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Alexandre.